as a child how to make paper snowflakes by folding and cutting paper. I have always had a fascination with geometry and patterns. It's incredible to cut a snowflake and unfold it and see how the geometry changes with each unfolding. I came across a book of photographs of actual snowflakes. Looking through the images, I could see that the ice crystals always formed in a six-sided pattern. I decided that the snowflakes that I made out of wood should use the same geometry that was consistent with real snowflakes. So each year I design a completely unique snowflake inspired by images of real snowflakes following the hexagon shapes that occur in nature. 2014 will be my third year creating a unique snowflake.